All right, getting ready to replace the carpeting in a room that's roughly 14 by 11. It has this little bump out, which is, we're going to use that. It could be a closet, but we're not going to use it as that. The tools we rented the Roberts kicker from Home Depot, and I bought a decent quality knife because that's the key, is cutting this, is getting that in. The Persona, that knife's only $10, and you get replacement blades, which a pack of that costs $3 on its own. I got the stair tool, tucking tool. I went with the plastic one. I thought that would be less chance of marring the baseboard. And I got some seam sealer over here that we'll put along the edge, along where it meets up with the hardwoods going in to the room. And the pad's only 2 years old, no tears, no stains. So we're just gonna leave it down. We're gonna use the existing tackless, and we should be able to knock this out fairly quickly. I rounded up to the next foot on that, so I know we got plenty of room. The carpet comes in 12-foot width, so we're gonna have enough slack on the width, and it ran up to 14 feet, so we're good to go on that long wall going back into the bump out.